Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, OnePay mobile banking app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking at, or if you're trying to check out OnePay mobile banking app here, which is a major digital fintech platform backed by Walmart, it has become a massive name for people trying to manage their daily spending and supercharge their savings without traditional banking fees. Now, according to OnePay's official platform, which it actually features, now the app is built heavily around their banking ecosystem. Now, if you set up a qualifying direct deposit of $500 or more a month, or keep a total balance of $5,000, you unlock their premier benefits. Now, the core of the platform involves around highly competitive 3.35% APY on your saving balance, a massive 3% cashback reward system on eligible everyday categories like Walmart purchases, dining, or gas, and the ability to get your paycheck up to 2 days early. They also emphasize unique built-in tools like an automated rounds up saving feature, fee-free overdraft protection, and a credit builder card option that automatically reports your activity to the credit bureaus to give your score a healthy boost. Now, when you dive into the user feedback or what people are actually saying right now regarding the app, well, the pros are heavily focused on the app's incredible convenience and real world cash perks. Now, thousands of users give it 5 stars for completely eliminating basic maintenance fees and hidden out of network cost here. So, basically, what people are saying about it here is reviewers are praising the separate pockets feature. So sharing that it makes it incredibly easy to digitally separate your money for bills, emergency funds, and everyday spending to stay strictly organized. Now, gig workers and retail shoppers particularly rave about the instant pay integration and the ease of getting free cash deposits or cardless cash withdrawals right at Walmart, CVS, or Dollar General customer service desk. Now, on the downside, some downsides of some cons here are still present. So, not every app is going to be perfect. Now, in this case, a major point of friction for users is a dashboard change that combines your savings and checking balance into one single headline number when you log in. Now, with multiple reviewers noting that it can make it confusing to know exactly how much cash you actually have available in your primary debit pocket. So other users or in this case, other reviews out there, express frustration over internal account transfer glitches, report occasional software bugs, where moving money between pockets take away too many clicks or temporary freezes up. Finally, reviews point out that if you don't hit the $500 direct deposit milestone, your savings rate drops down to a standard of 1.0% APY, and you lose access to priority customer support, which can leave standard users waiting significantly longer in the help chat queues. Now, ultimately, if you frequently shop at Walmart or want a slick automated digital wallet that turns your paychecks into high yield savings and credit building opportunities, now the collective consensus is that OnePay is absolutely worth it. Now, at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to try it for yourself. So maybe try it for a few times and see if it actually works for you or with your habits. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.